HobbyCopy's AI Chat is a powerful AI chat built specifically for marketing content, and you can use it to write anything or edit content and get feedback on your content. The mode toggle here allows you to select different AI models for a slightly different flavor of AI writing. We generally recommend keeping it on depth mode as it's best for most content types. On the right here, we've got our brand voice dropdown. Here you can select any one of your custom brand voices to write in the style that you want. And then here, you can insert commands to do specific tasks like search the web or read the first 5 articles from an RSS feed and run whatever prompt you like on them. Lastly, you can also hit the hashtag button and then pull in saved content info bits that you've saved in your brand library. To show you how chat works, let's start by writing a lead nurture email in my brand voice for a company called Mixi Masterclass. So here's my prompt, and then I'm going to select one of my brand voices. And then just hit enter. If I want to tweak this or edit it, I can continue chatting or even do something like write a subject line for this and change the brand voice. There's so many cool ways you can use chat. For example, you can also insert an image to use as inspiration for the style of your emails. So here, I've got the same content, but I want to write it using the format indicated in this image. So here, it's followed the same structure and framework as the reference email. This works great with competitor monitoring, where you can monitor competitors and use their emails as inspiration for formatting your own. RSS feeds are another great way to use chat. So here, we've got our RSS tag, followed by the feed URL I've created using rss.app, which is free to use, and you can create a feed to aggregate your favorite content, whether it's blogs, news sites, or Twitter posts. Here, the prompt's reading the most recent posts and finding one really inspiring quote that I can share with my readers, and then it's going to add some commentary on it. So this is great, and I can take it and then add it right to my newsletter. You can also use chat to edit your content, even when there's a design theme applied. So for example, I can select this text and just click Ask, and say, make this a bit more concise. And then I can even do this in one of my different brand tones. When you're in a document, every time you click Start Over, it creates a new chat. And to access your old chats, they're all saved in their respective document, right here. Chat's a great tool to write basically anything, but if you're looking for some more structured workflows and prompts that you can use to get you started, this is where our writing tools come in. So whether it's an email sequence you want to create, or a newsletter, or copy boosters, these all contain formulas and frameworks to help you get started and create something that's really strong.